friends. I thought I'd read to you another book. I'm sitting on my couch. It's gonna get nice and cozy. Maybe you can find a cozy spot too to listen to the story. Can you take a guess from the back cover what book I'm going to read to you today? Do you see 1, 2, 3, 4 groovy buttons? What story are we reading? It's a class favorite. Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Let's get started. This book is written by Litwin, and the illustrations are by James Dean, who is also the creator of Pete the Cat and all of our favorite Pete the Cat stories. Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many? 2. 1, 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. What's next? Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many? Can you see? 1. Just one more button. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. What do you think happens? Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many? 0. No more buttons. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? What did he see? What's on your belly? His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. And Pete's saying over here, he's saying, it's all good. I still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Sometimes, and that's okay. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. And I hope you enjoyed this book. I miss you guys. Bye.